Welcome to Hell of a Homestead. Today we'll be weeding out the flower garden for the subscribers, as well as planning out our garden for the backyard. Let's get into this. All right, so this is 2 feet. This is 2 feet from the apple tree. 2 feet, which I think is enough grass for that. That gives us there. And then if we want to, let's say, do another 2 feet, do we want that to be the path? Or do we want 3 feet? So maybe we'll do 2 feet. So what I will do, what tools don't I need? So this is two. So move it down a little bit more. All right. This is a good sized path. The groundbreaking on the Hell of a Homestead garden has started. That was kind of deep. I don't know if you can see me. I'm just trying to get as much dirt as I can from the grass. There's gonna be like cardboard and then mulch on top of this. So it shouldn't be too much of a problem, but I'd rather as much dirt as I can. Oh, all right. The first square is done. That took a long time. But hopefully, since I have the initial hole dug, it won't take me that much longer to do. I think the plan for today is to at least get the perimeter done, and then we'll go from there. So we were able to dig this hole by hand. It's about 15 feet long and 2 feet wide, and took like 2 days to do. I still have 4 more of these to do. Well, 3 more of these to do. I think I'm gonna call in reinforcements and try to see if I can borrow a like a like a like a tiller, or like a digging contraption, an excavator or something like that. Um, See if any of my neighbors, or see how much it costs to rent one would be, because if I did this all by hand, it would take a long time. So I think I'm gonna try to do that. I'm gonna try to look into that for next time. But if you like this video, make sure you click the like button below. That really helps out the channel. Subscribe if you haven't already, so you can add a flower to the flower bed. And I will see you guys next time. See ya.